Welcome to dbForge tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to deploy the debug engine, start debugging a MySQL procedure, evaluate variables value, and interpret debugging with breakpoints. To start debugging, select Debug Stored Procedures from the Start page menu. Alternately, select Deploy Debug Engine in the Debug menu. Upon the debugger installation, the debug database will be listed in the Database Explorer. Now let's take a brief look at the debugger possibilities using a demo stored procedure as an example. Click the SQL script and then click Combined Layout. To set a breakpoint in the procedure body, clicking the field near the proper line or select Insert Breakpoint from the shortcut menu, we can see the invoked full actor name stored function. To debug the stored functions and procedures, select Compile for Debugging from the Debug menu. As you can see, you can quickly go to definition of the function. Now let's set a breakpoint in the function body to view its result. Right-click the stored procedure and select Compile for Debugging. Now let's run the debugger. Click on the required line and perform the Run to Cursor command. In this case, the debugger will execute all commands between the last executed command and the command in which the cursor is set at the moment. The hint is displayed when the pointer is placed over the invoked function, variable, etc. Debugger allows viewing the variable's value in the Watches window. To perform the steps of the procedure, go to the Invoked Procedures and Functions and press the F11 key. You can also view the variable value using the Watches window or hint. Now go to the Call Stack window. It allows navigating between the procedures and the function that is being debugged at the moment. Here is the function result. Now return to the initial stored procedure. To step over the invoked function, use the F10 hotkey. Debugging can be interrupted at any moment upon user's request. Thank you for watching. Just download a 30-day free trial of dbForge Studio and find out how effortless database developing can be.